What's going on YouTube? So today I got the iOttie Easy One Touch 4 here. It's a dash mount for your car. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys and show you guys how it looks. Let me know if you guys want installation videos on or how-to installation videos, and I'll shoot that one next for you guys too. So with the box, let's see what's on the outside of the box. To the right of it, it shows you guys how to properly do the seal so it actually stays on your car. On the back, it just shows you, talks about the specs. It's a 1-year limited warranty, and I heard these have pretty good warranty. If you have problems, just contact iOttie and then they'll send you a new one, or they'll send you a replacement or something along those lines. But yeah, this is how you operate it, and yeah, I'll unbox it for you guys. Let's see what's inside. It's pretty strong, so I kind of just ripped it. So in the box, we see that we have everything's in a nice bag. Here is the phone holder itself, the car mount, and then a flat piece. If your dash is not flat, you can heat that to the actual part of your car. Inside the box, there's also, so that's on the box, some love the product, rate it, 1-year warranty. And basically, this is a manual of the. This is a manual. Not important. I'll keep it to the side. So in the thing, you have this piece. So if you're trying to mount this to your part of your car and it's not flush, you basically heat this to your car and then use a suction cup to suction on top of this. And so this is the suction. Let's open it up. So this is part of the section. You basically will be removing this piece and then rinse this with water so it has the stronger section seal onto your car itself. And then this piece right here is the actual mount of your phone. So depending on what phone you have, you can be putting it on right onto here. So basically it's a one touch. So basically to release it, you press the sides. Opens it. Once you put your phone in, it basically locks the iPhone or whatever phone you have and holds it in place for you. At the bottom, you have that adjuster. You can turn this down, so you basically adjust how low you want this to sit. So once you get your right setting, you basically twist it back up and lock it in place. Oops. You lock it in place. On the back, you still have, basically this is to put the bond socket. So once you get it in here, basically you adjust it for the tightness and it kind of switch back and forth. If you want to extend your phone mount, you basically release this tab and basically it's an extension. Depending on how long you want the extension to be. This is to lock it back up. On the right side, you also have another adjuster. So basically, this one is to adjust how up and down. So you want to shift up and down. And then this little lever is basically once you have it on a flat surface, like say this, you basically lock this down and it heats to the bottom. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to see another video of an installation, just let me know. And if you guys like this video, just comment, subscribe, and let me know what's up. Until next time, catch you guys later. Peace.